Facebook app not working on your iPhone after iOS update? We have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can fix that. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on Settings. Now scroll down on your phone and tap on the option called General. As you tap into General, scroll down again and tap on iPhone storage. All you have to do now is scroll down again and tap until you find the Facebook option. Tap on Facebook and tap on Offload app. Once you tap on Offload app, it will take some time. Now tap on Reinstall app. Once you tap on Reinstall app, it will automatically reinstall your app and reboot your app. I also have another solution for you. Again, you can switch off your phone as it will restart all of your settings and reboot your phone. Wait, I also have another solution for you. What you have to do is go on your App Store and search for Facebook app. Once you find the app, go and make sure to see that your Facebook app is updated. If it is not updated, make sure to update it on time. In this way, you can easily fix Facebook app not working on your iPhone after iOS update. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.